Hello everyone. In today's video we are discussing DFA some more problems. So here we have got a question: design a DFA to accept a string of A's and B's having at least one A. That means it should contain at least one A or it can contain any number of A. So how we will be drawing? So we will be start state Q0 and one A should contain, and it can contain any number of A. So we will satisfy condition that, so A we are sending to Q1 and this is a final state, because after A we don't have anything in question to satisfy. So leftover input is, so we have A's and B's. So leftover for Q0 we have sent A input to next state, leftover is B. So where we can put B? We can self loop, because there is no condition it should start with A or it should end with A. It is like it should contain one A. Okay, so next we have Q1 is left over with A and B. So here we can self loop A because it can contain any number of A. So the leftover is input B, we can send to self loop itself. So we have condition that it should satisfy at least one A. So one A is satisfied, it can have any number of A and B's. Okay. So next we have design a DFA to accept exactly one A for input A comma B. So here we will be having start state Q0. We will send, question is only one A. We will send this A and this will be final state, that is Q1. So leftover input is B. So where we will send this B? We can self loop it. And here we have input A and B. If I put A here, that is self loop, what will happen? 2A will happen. So what I will do? I will send it to trap state. So Q2, this is a trap state or a dead state. Okay, dead state. So I will send here A and B I can self loop. See here B, A, B, only single A is present, and if I will loop here A, multiple A will happen. So I am sending it to trap state. So next, design a DFA to accept a string of A, B from input A's and B's. So we should satisfy first this. So I will send start state Q0 A input to next state Q1, B input to next state Q2. This is the final state, because after this we don't have anything. Now we should again check for input leftover. Q0 is send A input, so we will be left over with B. So we can self loop, because it is given that it should have string AB. Okay, so next we have Q1, it has sent B input, leftover is A input. So we can self loop here, because there is no ending or starting, it should contain AB, it is still containing AB. Next we have Q2, which is left over with AB. We can self loop as it is A comma B, because string should be present. There is no condition that it should end or start with. So this is the state diagram.